Hello friends, this is my top load washing machine. Now I am going to show you how to clean this top load washing machine. Lot of people clean only outside of the washer and they don't know how to clean the whole washing machine. If you are using Samsung, LG or any other top load models, their cleaning parts looking is little different, but they have almost same cleaning parts. So you can follow this process for any top load washing machine. Before cleaning, I am showing you cleaning parts of this washing machine. After that I will show you how to clean one by one. If we open the door, clean here inside washing drum, and here it has a washing powder tray. We have to clean this detergent powder tray. Here washing drum has a lint magic filter. If any dirt or lint come from the cloth, it will go at this filter. So we have to clean also this filter. If you are using LG top load washing machine, lint dirt filter is like here. If press here, we can remove from the washing drum. If we go back side of the washing machine, here water is go through this pipe to washing machine. Here inside it has a small water filter. We have to clean also here inside water filter. These are the cleaning parts of in this washing machine. Let's we go for clean now. Washing powder tray we can remove from the washing machine. Press here and remove from here. We have to clean this detergent powder tray. If press here, we can remove easily from washing machine. We have to clean also here inside. Press here and remove this filter from washing drum for cleaning. If we go at back side of the washing machine, water go through this pipe to washing machine. If we open this cap here it has a small water filter. We have to clean here inside water filter. We can use any soft wet cloth for here inside cleaning. If these are have a more dirt and if you can't clean with only water, you can use vinegar or dishwasher for this parts cleaning. Okay, here detergent powder tray inside cleaned. We can clean dirt filter inside also. Okay, here inside cleaned. Now we can clean this detergent powder tray and filters. We can use toothbrush for detergent powder tray cleaning. Okay, tray has cleaned. This is inside that filter. We can clean with running water. If these are have a more dirt and if you can't clean with only water, you can use vinegar or dishwasher for this parts cleaning. Inside that filter has cleaned. This is backside water filter. We can clean with running water. These are cleaned. Now we can insert. If you have any doubts, you can comment in below comment section. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Finally, I am showing you how to clean this washing machine inside washing drum. Latest washing machines comes with tub clean option for here inside drum cleaning. This washing machine has a eco tub clean option, so I am using this option for here inside drum cleaning. If your washing machine does not have tub clean option, you can choose longest cycle in your washing machine for here inside drum cleaning. Here we can use baking soda and vinegar for this drum cleaning. We can add these when water will come into the drum. If we want to choose this cleaning option, we have to press and hold it 3 seconds. If we press 3 seconds, it will on and here indicate with cleaning symbol, and here displayed cleaning time 93 minutes. If we start washing machine, clean will complete in 93 minutes. Washing machine has started, so water is coming now. Some washing machines cleaners also available in market like powders or liquids. You can also use this alternate to baking soda and vinegar. If starts washing machine, here it has a 3 cycles. Now washing machine is going on first cycle. We can add baking soda in this first cycle. Machine has started and water is coming now, so I am adding 1 full cup of baking soda with the detergent powder 3 cup. We can add directly in washing drum. I am not add vinegar in this first cycle. We can add vinegar in second cycle. If opening door, agitate will not start in washing drum, so I am closing the door. I have used baking soda in this first cycle, so washing machine is going on water with baking soda in this first cycle. After some time, first cycle has completed and second cycle has started. Now we can add vinegar in this second cycle. Water is coming to the drum. I am adding 2 cups of vinegar in this second cycle. If complete the second and third remaining cycles, clean will complete and machine will indicate with music. After some time 3 cycles has completed and machine clean also completed. If you have any doubts, you can comment in below comment section. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel.